Just finished eating my lunch. In the morning I had a physical chemistry lab. Now I'm home, but I do have to study and prepare for a presentation that I have in current topics in biology, which is literally in 4 days, and my whole group has been working on it for the whole semester. I'm kind of nervous, but it's gonna be fine. I would be in the library, but today or tomorrow I might get a very special delivery. Can't believe it literally came as I finished recording that last clip. But I got a new phone. I've been walking around with my current one for 4.5 years, and it's the iPhone XR. And now I have a new one, which is the iPhone 15, and I'm so excited. She feels kind of bulkier than my current phone, but honestly I'm kind of into it. I literally had to put my hair up and took my shirt down because this is hard work, okay? Being aesthetic is hard work. Honestly, who decides to get a new phone right when I have to study for all my exams? Guilty. Yeah, I have to study. I can't. I'll worry about it later. I'll leave it for later.